Storm's Tech Channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Samsung Galaxy S23 Fan Edition for Metro by T-Mobile. So the Galaxy S23 Fan Edition is not here at Metro. It's available in the graphite color, 128 gigabytes of storage, and that's only the storage option that Metro offers. So if you guys know what the Galaxy S23 looks like, it's basically the same phone, except for it's a bit cheaper. So if you guys are looking to get like a flagship experience, but don't want to pay over $1,000 to get that experience, the Galaxy S23 Fan Edition is different for you guys to check out. So that is front and back of the phone. Y'all guys got your whole punch stuff for your front facing camera right here somewhere in the top, because it's going to have to see because of the background. Y'all guys have your earpiece above that. Power and volume keys on the rest of the phone. Triple camera system down the back. Camera flash Samsung logo. There's the left side. Back of the phone. Triple camera system. Camera flash Samsung logo. There's the left side and whatnot. So if you guys are getting a new number, the Galaxy S23 Fan Edition can be yours for $99.99. So that's a win. For retail price of the Galaxy S23 Fan Edition is $599.99 for the 128GB version that Metro only offers currently. If you guys bring your number over to Metro, the Galaxy S23 Fan Edition can be yours for $49.99. So not bad for a $50 phone. Definitely worth checking out. And yeah. Features, so it has a 50 megapixel wide angle camera, which is your main camera, 12 megapixel ultra wide, then an 8 megapixel telephoto camera lenses, dual pixel, 10 megapixel front facing camera, 6.4 inch Full HD plus display, dynamic AMOLED 2x 2340 by 1080 pixels, 33 hours of talk time, and 10.62 days of standby time. Other features include long-lasting 4500 mAh battery that you can rely on, super fast charging, powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor, which was last year's chipset for flagship phone, so pretty good processor in 2023. Premium design, premium display, high resolution triple lens camera, night photography, AI power editing tool, 30x spacing, Bluetooth 5.3. It says the Galaxy S23 Fan Edition is jam-packed with top features designed to elevate your everyday view content or binge your favorite shows on a premium 6.4 inch Full HD plus dynamic AMOLED display that's smooth and easy on the eyes, with an adaptive display that automatically adjusts screen brightness based on surrounding light levels. Capture stunning high resolution share-worthy pictures with the triple lens camera. Stay powered with the super fast charging, capable 4500 mAh battery that keeps up with you day. The premium processor lets you stream, game, and multitask easily from the palm of your hand. Experience it all on the nation's largest and fastest nationwide 5G network, and that's the T-Mobile network. So pretty cool there. Specs has a 4500 mAh battery, Type-C charging, of course, which is pretty much standard. Wi-Fi connectivity and whatnot has Wi-Fi 802.11, ABGN-AC, AX, Wi-Fi 6E. It has Bluetooth 5.3 NFC, so you can use Google Pay on here. It has a Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor, which was last year's flagship chipset, which is pretty good. Android 13 with One UI 5.1, 8 gigabytes of RAM, 128 gigabytes of storage. There is no expandable storage, so I'll keep it in mind. You do get 4G LTE, 5G, of course, support email platforms that are internet compatibilities, wireless emergency alerts, mobile hotspot frequencies. The Galaxy S23 Fan Edition weighs 7.37 ounces, dimensions 6.22 inches height, 3 inches width, and 0.3 inches depth. So, yeah. So what comes in the box is your Galaxy S23 Fan Edition. Type-C to Type-C charging cable. You guys will need a Type-C charging brick. SIM ejection tool, quick start guide, and your terms and conditions there. So send this stuff in the box there, alright? So, yeah, so there you guys have it. So the Galaxy S23 FE edition is now here at Metro. So if you guys are looking to get like a 5-step experience, but don't want to pay $1,000 for one, the Galaxy S23 is the phone for you guys to check out. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If you like me all up, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.